everyone, welcome back to Lolly in the Pop, and if you're new to our channel then welcome to Lolly in the Pop. So first of all, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please don't forget to hit the bell button because whenever we post a new video you're going to get directly notified. So diving directly into the topic, today I'm going to use a completely new product and I'm going to unbox in front of you and use it for the first time. So I'm going to share my first use impression with you. So keep watching the video to know what is the product and let's start using it. So this is the product that I'm going to be using today. This is the Wow Science Activated Charcoal Face Mask. It retails for 499 rupees for a volume of 200 ml. So that's quite nice. Not expensive. It is quite at the right range. I'll open this in front of you for the first time. So here you can see I've got a spatula over here, and then coming to the actual pack, this is how it looks. And when you open it, it has a seal over here. Talking about its claims, it says that it suits all skin types and including acne prone skin. It helps remove pollutants and revive radiance. So what I'll do now, I'll quickly just change my clothes into something which I wear at home and also wash my face with a face wash, cleanser and a scrubber. So keep watching. So I'm back, all set to apply the new face mask. You can just check my skin once before I use the mask so that you can spot the difference if I do get any difference. So we'll start. So I've opened it. First, I'm not going to waste this. So I will first take it from the seal part and apply it. Okay. So don't apply mask around your eyes because that is the area which is really soft compared to the other parts of your face, and you don't want that area to dry out or have any problems. So always keep it around this area. So here you go. I am starting the timer, 15 minutes. Let's see. So now talking about the texture, it is a very moussey texture, so it's very easy to apply. I applied with my fingers. Even if you use an applicator, I don't think it's going to be difficult because it's really moussey. It's very easy to take it out and very easy to apply it. At the same time, I would like to say that till now I do not feel any burning sensation because usually these masks that you get in the market, which is not completely natural and has a lot of other ingredients and chemicals, tend to be a little burning on the skin after it's applied. So I would tell you that for me, this is not at all burning. Currently, one of the things that I would like to tell you which I don't like about the product till now is like it's really scented. So when I talk about it's really scented, it feels that as if I've applied any perfume on my face. It's a really strong scent. If you're someone who cannot take in such strong scent and you feel really nauseous, I wouldn't recommend this to you.
So I have waited for longer than 15 minutes, around 20 to 25 minutes, and as you can see that it has dried really well around the forehead and the cheeks area. But if you see the T-zone, I do sweat a lot. So first it did dry up and then when I sweated, it started melting or coming out. So now let's wash the face.
So all of you, I have washed my face and I'm just loving it. It feels so clean. So I did pat dry my face. Now I'm going to look closely. Even you can take a look at my skin if you want to. Oh yes, I spotted. I don't know if you could spot. See over here, I have got charcoal particles left. I didn't wash this area properly. This is the reason I have told that all of you also, please do check whether you've washed all the charcoal particles or not. I can also see some charcoal, over here, if you can see. So I'm going to wash this as well as wash this area. But as you can see my face, it looks super clean and it feels super clean. I could immediately feel that the skin is feeling so light. Coming to the review, yes, I feel super good. This is a great product and I can feel that from my first use. Now that you see my face, I don't think you can see anything that's oily, nor does my face feel too dried out. So I usually use Multani Mitti, which is the best product when it comes to masking. But yes, you do feel very dried out after using it and you're immediately supposed to moisturize. Same goes for now. I am immediately supposed to moisturize. I'm just going to do it. But before that, if you see my skin, it feels so clean. I'm so happy with the product because I was excited. At the same time, I was nervous whether this is going to be good or not because I have invested 463 rupees on a product. Touching my skin, I'm telling you, it's feeling super soft. It's not dried out because it was a mousse texture. This is not a sponsored video. Thing that I bought, it's with my own money, and I bought it from Nykaa, that also not from their website. So I will recommend all of you who have all types of skin, even if you're having dry skin, you're not going to have a problem because this is a mousse texture. Finally, make sure to highly moisturize your skin. So I have used a toner. After that, I'm going to use a sheet mask, and then you can continue with your moisturizer and everything, but please make sure it's highly moisturized. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really thankful for all of your support, and I see that there's a lot of you who just watch the videos, you do comment that it's very nice, and then you forget to subscribe. So I would request you that please do subscribe because it helps me, and in a way it helps you too because you're always going to directly get my videos once you hit the bell button. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you have used this product and what was your view on using it for the first time. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe. So bye bye from Lolly in the Pop.